Colonel Garma. During your stint as PCSO chair, how would you describe your relations with General Barayuga?
Okay naman po, nag-uusap naman po kami. Wala po akong
No
natatandaan.
conflict?
None, Mr. Chair.
None. So you were not the subject of any of the investigations that were being conducted or something?
No,
Wala naman?
Mr. Chair. I could recall Mr. Chair, nung pag-upo ko, naalala niyo po na pinatigil po lahat ng laro. That's where the President gave instruction na mag-conduct ng thorough investigation. And to my understanding po, ang NBI po ang nag-investigate. And lahat naman po ng hiningi nila, binigay ko rin naman po. I just don't know po kay Board Sec kung ano naman po yung requirement na kailangan niya i-submit as far as yung board naman is concerned, Mr. Chair.
So you would describe your working relationship as professional and cordial
Maganda
naman?
po, wala
Maganda
po kaming
naman.
conflict. Yes, nag-uusap po kami.
So
I
if we
cannot
were to
recall.
ask people in the PCSO and they would describe your relationship as ganun din sa how you described it,
Yes,
na
Mr.
okay naman?
Okay naman, Mr. Chair, kasi wala po. Nagre-record lang naman po yan during board meeting. It's the board who discusses all the sensitive issues. Him as the board of the, secretary, he just takes note.
Okay,
Wala
so
naman po.
wouldn't it be like, how would you siguro react upon hearing the testimonies of Colonel Mendoza that it was Colonel Leonardo who gave the instructions to Colonel Mendoza na galing daw sa iyo ang utos sa ligpit kay General Barayuga?
Nagulat lang po ako, Mr.
Nagulat
Chair.
lang.
I didn't expect it po.
So this is the first time you heard na you are being implicated in the death of General Barayuga?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
First time?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You never heard about it before, kahit sa mga marites or chismis sa PNP?
Hindi, Mr. Chair.
Hindi. Okay. So you were never also investigated by any law enforcement agency as far as the death of General Barayuga was concerned?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
No one asked you questions?
Wala po akong maalalang may nagtanong po.
Okay. Now that you heard the testimony of Colonel Mendoza, na Colonel Leonardo supposedly directed him to do this operation on your behalf, ano ang masasabi niyo kay Colonel Leonardo po, if it is true na siya ang nag-utos?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam yung sinasabi po niya. I cannot speculate, Mr. Chair.
I'm not saying it's Mendoza. I'm saying that he was saying it was Leonardo. Kung totoo yun na si Leonardo, how would that make you feel po? Colonel Garma?
I cannot speculate, Mr. Chair, because the statement of Colonel Mendoza will lead to a crime. And
Okay.
I do not want to make a statement that I'm not sure whether it is right or wrong for
Isn't
now,
that
Mr. Chair.
precisely what makes it more interesting? That an active serviceman would put his career at risk and testify before this committee, admitting to some wrongdoings na at the behest of, or on your request in that of the instructions of Colonel Leonardo? Don't you find that parang odd at least?
Mr. Chair, I do not know what he is thinking right now, Mr. Chair. And this is the first time. Iniisip nga ako saan ko siya nakita or what. I cannot recall if I've met him
Okay.
or what. But ngayon ko lang po narinig din ang name niya, Mr. Chair.
All right. Attorney Paquera, I'm sorry. I noticed that she's there. And she was your executive assistant ba? Si Attorney Paquera?
Yes, EA6 and designated as the Chief of Staff.
Okay,
of my
so
office
she was
this
working
time.
with you at the PCSO while General Barayuga was also there?
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Chair. Nagpang-abot po lahat.
Sir, you heard the testimony of Colonel Mendoza
Yes, Mr. Chair.
identifying you as the person who ordered the death of General Barayuga, supposedly upon the instructions of Colonel Garma. Is that correct, sir?
Hindi po totoo yun, Mr.
Hindi totoo. So is there any reason, may galit ba sa'yo si Colonel Mendoza?
Actually, nakilala ko po yan. I think isang beses lang kami nag-meet.
Isang beses
yan.
lang.
I know that he's an underclass po namin.
Underclassman.
Pero maliban doon, wala na po akong Hindi ko na po siya
So no
ganun
working
kakilala.
relations with Colonel Mendoza?
Wala po.
Hindi mo
Mr.
naging
Chair.
tao before in your units?
Hindi rin po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo rin utusan to do something legitimate that he didn't do or something? Wala namang reason for him to be mad at you.
Lalong hindi ko po siya pwedeng utusan dahil hindi ko nga po siya gaanong kilala.
Okay.
Alam ko lang underclass po siya, Mr. Chair.
So upon hearing his testimony, parang hindi ba parang nagulat ka ba or are you mad now na bakit ka dinadawit sa mga operasyong ganon or on his statement in his affidavit na ikaw yung may utos?
Nagulat nga rin po ako, Mr. Chair. Lagi na lang po ako nasasali sa mga ganito.
Para ikaw
Mr.
na lang
Chair.
lahat, ano?
Opo, mula pa noong 2016, binabanggit na po yung pangalan ko. Hindi na sila tumigil. Wala naman pong napapatunayan.
So,
Kaya,
ang sinasabi mo po is like
expected.
yung mga belief ng mga members ng PNP na malakas ka at na kung anong sinasabi mo is usually nangyayari naman and that they're afraid to go against you because you supposedly have the ear of the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Is that correct? O chismis lang din yan?
Hindi po, malapit po ako sa term po na Tagalog. Ako po malapit naman talaga sa presidente dahil una-una, kilala po namin siya dahil naging taga Davao na po
Yeah.
ako eh.
Pero as a police officer naman po, you would never, in any instance, give an order to kill another person. Is that correct?
Hindi po.
Never.
Hindi po. Never
You would
po.
never do that. Tama?
Hindi ko po gagawin yun.
Okay,
Lalong-lalo na dun sa Class 83 po yung
Class 83 ng PMA,
pinag-uusapan
correct?
dito. Napakadelikado po nun. Kaya ko pong umarap sa lahat ng Class 83 na ako wala po akong kinalalaman dyan sa nangyari na yan.
Alright. Same with you, Colonel Garma, di ba? As a police officer and as a former government employee, you would never, at any instance, order the death of any other person.
Yes,
Correct?
Mr. Chair.
Never talaga.
Hindi po, lalong-lalo na po kasamahan ko pa sa opisina. Mabait po yung taong yun, Mr.
Mabait
Chair.
yun.
Wala akong naalalang ginawa niyang hindi mabuti po.
Eh sa sobrang bait niya, you would not have anything in mind or anyone in mind who might wish him harm.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Sa pagkaalam mo.
Wala akong maisip nung time na yun po. What I did lang po nung namatay, inayos na lang po namin yung libing niya and everything po.
Okay. Now, Colonel Mendoza, I'm sure you will be attacked no, after giving this statement. No? Were you at any time promised a promotion to testify before this committee?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay. Were you promised money or any other thing just to testify before this committee?
Wala po.
Wala. Tinakot ka ba ng mga chairman dito or ng any other member of the House?
Hindi po.
Okay, and you are confirming again na ang sinabi mo ay totoo and kung anong nangyari as far as you can remember. Tama?
Opo, Your Honor.